this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Entry Armor Patio Door Lock. Now this patio door lock is going to fit all of your standard vinyl sliding glass door applications like the one you see right behind me. The features on this include having a key override switch so you can keep it in the locked or unlocked mode whenever you want, as well as this bolt is going to allow this, when you drill a hole, this bolt is going to go up into the 2x4, giving extra security. Now I went ahead and I installed one right here, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to install it. All right, now on the back of the package, it's going to give you the step-by-step instructions on how to install it. You're going to need a 1/8 inch and a 1/2 inch drill bit along with a screw gun to screw in 2 Phillips head screws. Now, the first thing you want to do when you install it is to make sure that the slider is all the way closed and locked. Once you do that, you're going to want to take this bolt out, and how you're going to do that is just twist it and pull. Get a little more there. There we go. We're going to get that bolt out, and then you're going to pop these two with a screwdriver. Just pop these 2 plugs out. Once you have that, you're going to be able to screw the body into the door here with the 2 Phillips screws. Now, once you have that done, and as you can see, I left about a 1/4 inch gap up here at the top. Once you get that done, you're going to want to put something on the tip of this bolt here, either lipstick or like a marker or something, and go ahead and stick it in here. You're going to want to push all the way up and mark your hole. Now once that's done, you're going to want to remove the 2 Phillips screws and drill your hole up into the top here. And there's my hole you can see right there. Now once that's done, you're going to want to just re-screw in these 2 right here. You're going to want to put these 2 little plugs on, and you're going to be ready to go. And so what you can do is when you lock it, you can turn the key, pull it out. Now it's going to stay nice and locked. So that's the patio door lock from Entry Armor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.